2 minutes of information, entertainment, and events in Atlanta and beyond. This is the Daily 2.
Hi, I'm Cher Guthrie with the Daily 2, and joining us today is Dr. Hasty from the Atlanta Center for Reproductive Medicine. Thank you so much for joining us.
It's great to be here.
Tell us a little bit about ACRM.
We're a group of infertility specialists dedicated to helping couples build their families.
Now, are there any misconceptions about the cause of infertility?
There are. A lot of people believe that we'll never be able to figure out the cause of their infertility, but that's not the case. 85% of the time we can find a real reason for them having trouble getting pregnant.
Are there any misconceptions about the age of your patients? Do you treat them any differently?
We really do. A lot of people really feel like they could get pregnant all the way up until menopause with their own eggs, but we all know that there's a time clock, and we women have a defined limit and a defined time for getting pregnant with our own eggs. So at 35, we really speed up the treatment and the workup because of that factor.
What I would say to ladies is don't wait to seek help, because the age does matter, and we have infertility specialists right here in our own backyard that are the best.
And what about cost?
There are many different options, and in fact, about 40% of our patients actually have coverage for infertility treatment. Wow. There are also other options such as studies through our practice, and the Attain IVF refund program that's offered by IntegraMed at ACRM is also a very good option.
Well, thank you so much for being with us today. If you'd like more information about the Atlanta Center for Reproductive Medicine, you can visit them online at acrm.com. I'm Cher Guthrie with the Daily 2.
For more information and to get more of the Daily 2, log on to WSBTV.com/Daily 2.